Hey guys, how's it going? Joelster here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And this time we are going to do the unboxing, installation, and review of these LED lights. These are some sort of HID lights. I don't know if I told you guys before, but a long time ago, a few years ago, I used to own a high performance shop and I used to sell HID and car parts, pretty much like car parts for vehicles, and HID lights was part of some of the products that I used to sell. So we're gonna focus on this one right now. So this is Lasfit. Lasfit, they sent me this product, this HID lights for my car, so I can do the review. This is the warranty. Over here they have the product manual, which it'll kind of teach you, pretty much everything that you need to know about your car, the product specifications, the color, temperature, and everything you need to know. Installation is very basic, so if you know how to change the bulbs on your car, this is pretty much the same thing. Now, before we used to have ballasts once you install HID lights on your car, but not anymore. These are LEDs and the ballast is already included in the bulb. So check this out. Yeah, the bulb, everything is included right here. This is something that I like because it's a lot easier, it's a lot cleaner. This is just plug and play. We're gonna put it into this is the H11 model, and that's the model that I use for my car. So I have a 2017 Honda Accord Sport, and I use low beam and high beams with a separate bulb. So sometimes cars, they have high and low beam on the same bulb, not in this case. So these are gonna be the low beams of my car because those are the ones that I use the most. And I just wanted to show you how they come. They look very good though. I like them a lot. The quality looks good. So let's go and do the installation, guys. Let's do this. All right, guys. So here is my car. We're gonna do the installation. We're gonna pop the hood and let's see how this works. Let's do this. Jesus, my engine is dirty. I have to take it to get a car wash. But anyways, before we start the installation of anything, any headlights, make sure you locate the bulbs. In this case, these are very accessible. This is the right hand side, and the one on the left, it's a little bit tricky, but as you guys can see, it's actually right over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can. There it is. It's right over there. So these are kind of accessible, but some cars, they could be a little tricky. So make sure that it is accessible in your case. In this case, let's go to this one first. I'm gonna just shove my hand in there and kind of twist the bulb. Let me see if I can do this with my other hand. Jesus, pretty damn hard. Sometimes if it doesn't want to twist, just unplug the bulb. It usually just a push, and there you go. We unplug it. Sometimes, oh, there it is. There it is. Now, once you pull out the bulb, make sure that you don't touch it. Don't touch it. All right. Now this is the bulb, very small. Actually, we're gonna put it over there. Now, let's get these LED lights. Oh wow, nice. It should be plug and play. So before we fully install the bulb in there, I'm just gonna plug it into the car and to see if the bulb works. I just want to make sure that they both work before I fully install in the car. So let me do this right now. So we tested that one, it works good. Let me test the other one. Okay, so sometimes what happens is that if you plug it incorrectly, it just won't turn on. So just flip the connection. There you go, both of the bulbs work. So now it's time to install them. Alright guys, before we install them, I wanted to show you something. You notice in this bulb how it has 3 prongs. This one right here in the middle is the biggest one, and then this one right here on the side, and the ones on the side are kind of smaller. That means there is a way to put the bulb back in, so make sure you align those correctly, otherwise you can damage either the bulb or your headlight. Alright, so here we go. I found a way to put it in there, and pretty much it's like this. Once it's in there, everything is aligned. You're just gonna have to twist it all the way until it's correctly. Sometimes you will need to use both of your hands. In this case, I'm kind of holding the camera with one hand, but there it is. It's all the way in. It's set to go. Now let's do the other one. Alright guys, so before I change the bulb, I just want to show you a quick sample on how it looks. The halogen bulbs, how it looks. It has this yellowish tone to it. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but at night, trust me, the LED lights look a lot better. So this is how your regular headlight looks. Let's go look at the other one. And this is how it looks with the new LED lights. So this is pure white. This is what I like. This is something that you're probably gonna see on vehicles like Lexus, BMWs, Mercedes, all these high-end vehicles. They're gonna have this kind of light. Better yet, we're gonna test this at night, so let's check it out at night. Alright guys, so this is how this headlight looks with the regular stock halogen bulbs. I mean, I'm trying to come into this street that is not very popular, but these cars keep coming. Alright guys, so here it is with the new LED lights, LED HIDs. My god, they look beautiful, they look white. That's what I was looking for. And my god, what a difference. I like it better. You know, they look beautiful at night. So let's check them out on the outside. As you guys notice, it's pure white. Now it matches the LED right here. That's what I was looking for. I like that. These lights go very well with the projectors, with the projector type of bulb. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's sort of like a magnifying glass looking bulb. It is very common in vehicles like BMWs. But in this case, this Honda Accord has it, so that's how it looks. Looks beautiful. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. So if you want to buy a pair of lights for your car, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video. You can check it out. You go to the website and you can choose what size you need for your vehicle. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.